guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Zoe. If you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, we're going to be testing out, or we're going to be trying on the SHEIN haul that I promised literally weeks ago, and I'm finally doing it. We're going to be doing it in different sections. There's going to be a dress haul, a bathing suit haul, a shirt, and everything else haul. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so this is the first dress. I think, if you hear the smoke alarm, please ignore it, thank you. Let's just go ahead and hop right into this. So this is the first dress, and obviously it's too big. I'll put the size or like the picture right here of what the dress looked like in the picture, and the size and the price and everything that I got. So this is what it looks like. I think it would look so much better with the belt. Look at this. Now pretend this belt is black because the black would look better. It looks a little bit better now. No go for me. Let's get the next dress. Whew. This dress is very cute, don't get me wrong. It is a little big though. It has like this little hole, and you like tie this. You can see my overall. Oh my gosh. All of these, I'm pretty sure this was an extra small as well. I'm not sure, like I said, I'll put all this stuff up. But this is a super cute dress. But it's just a little bit big in this area because I have nothing here. Let's go to the next one. Okay, this is the next one. This is the next one. It's super cute. In the picture when I bought this dress, I actually thought it was like a denim material. Not necessarily material, but I thought it was like a denim texture, or no, what am I saying? I thought it was a denim pattern, but it's not. It's just a bunch of flowers and stuff. Also, fun fact, on here you see these buttons, right? It's like every other button. Hey, let's not do that one. But you see, like, it's like, that's not belly button piercing. Even though I don't know. I can't seem to. Oh my gosh, I found it! Because it is a little big. It's not really tight. I'm pretty sure this was extra small. If you buy SHEIN clothes, they don't always have the size and stuff in them. Oh, I'm pretty sure that made it worse, but it's okay. This looks good. But then like this, it's like. Next! Okay, this one is super cute. I absolutely love wrap dresses, okay? Love them because you can adjust them and make them, fit your body. Super cute. It's kind of short. It's not that short, never mind. But it's really cute. Perfect Mexico dress. Let's hop into the next dress. Okie dokie. Love this one. Don't know exactly what's happening. Okay, maybe I pulled it too tight. Yes? Come here. Come on. Come here. What you doing? This is super cute. Obviously this is not where I would tie the bow. I just didn't feel like moving it basically. But I absolutely love this one. This is the thickest dress so far, the best quality, I would say. I think it was a little bit pricier. I think I actually bought it on one of their flash deals, which they literally will have these flash deals. And the stuff is so cheap, you guys. So cheap. Super cute. That spin was I don't know. Here's this next dress. Super cute. It's a little like awkward look up here. Like it's not even. I wish it could come in just a little bit more, just because how much better it looks. Like, well, it doesn't look that much different. But love this dress. I believe it was like $5 or something like that. Like I said. Next dress. Super cute. Yeah. Excuse me. This is what it looks like. Definitely needs to come in more, but super cute. I love, and also this strap is like too far. Look at her looking at me. She's so funny. Oh, that was over. I love cowl necks, which this one isn't much of one, but I actually love them. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did. We're gonna check out the other hauls that I have. One is gonna be swimsuits and the other one is going to be like sets and tops and shorts and pants and stuff like that. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.